Hi everyone. So today I want to discuss about a front-end system design concept. It is called optimistic updates. So when it is useful, in a normal situation, what happens? You do some action in the UI, like click a a like button, and you make an API call, and it updates into the database. After that, you get the response. So until that period, you can show a loader. That is the standard approach. But to make the UI feel fast and smooth, what you can do is you already know what will be the outcome. It will be a comment, like a comment will be added, or a like count will be increased, or you moving a card from one position to another, it will get moved. So in these scenarios, like instead of waiting for the network API call and showing a loader until that period, you can optimistically update the UI, like the things has already been happened, and your UI, your app, like looks like fast and smooth. So so the two things can happen. Either you get the successful result, so the UI is already updated, and other thing can be, uh, the you get like a failure. So in that case, you have to roll back to the previous state and show a simple error message or something, like this failed. So this is the simple concept, like, of the optimistic update. So I have made a simple application where I can demonstrate you the code. So, like, let's say this is the application, and if we go to the network tab, and if we see, let's say I'm moving this card to this, here to here, and I have written a code, like I will make an API call as I move. So that will go to the database server, and then update the database, and the response will come back. And after that, it should get moved to this position, uh, and until that period I can show a loader. But to improve this thing, I have uh, done optimistic update. So, like, as I already know, its position will be in this column, in this position. So I have updated it, and when the result comes, if the result is successful, like, we don't have to do anything, we can just reconcile the state. And if it is a failure, we can roll back to the previous state. So how its code is written, let me share you. So this is a simple function, let's say on drag end. So on, as we end the drag of moving a card, this function runs. So I am like pointing you to the exact right position. So, like, this is the step one for the optimistic update. Like, you just store the original state for rollback. So I have stored it in the original board, and after that you update the UI immediately. So, like, as you know, a card will be removed from first column and added to the second column. So all those changes I have done, and like, updated the UI by setting the state. So this is the optimistic update. And after that, I'm making an API call, and if the call is successful, so we don't have to do anything. If we have an error, so we are roll backing to the original state. So this is the pattern, like here followed. Maintain an original state, call and update the UI, make an API call. If it is successful, we don't have to do anything. And if it is a failure, so we can roll back and show some simple alert or error message, like this failed, something went wrong. So this is what I wanted to share here. This is happening here. We make a move API call, and with some payload, and after that some response comes. So yeah, this is the thing uh, about optimistic updates. So Without optimistic update is like what we do: call an API, show loader, wait for the result, then show the updates on UI. And with the optimistic update, we store the previous state so that we can roll back to the previous state and show error message if it fails, and reconcile the final results that the server sent back. Means like what we have updated, we can check it, like what the server sent back. So that is the reconciling thing. So yeah, I wanted to share this thing, a concept we can implement in our like front end to improve the UI. So thank you.